Hello students, in this section we are going to see about Python dictionaries. Okay, so before this section we have learned list and tuple in Python. Okay, so list and tuple also are sequential data types, which means they can store multiple types of data. Okay, so in the list and tuple you have seen there is multiple data elements. Okay, separated by commas. The difference is list is mutable and tuple is immutable. Okay, mutable means we can change the elements inside, and immutable means we cannot change the elements inside. Then tuple is represented by parentheses, or elements are enclosed in parentheses, and list elements are enclosed in square brackets. Okay, that's what list and tuple are. So in this section we are going to deal with the Python dictionaries. Okay, so Python dictionary is also a sequential data type which falls into the category of mappings, Python mappings. Okay, so Python dictionary is items where each item is a key value pair. Okay, we can also refer a dictionary as a mapping between a set of key and values. So we'll see in this section what is dictionary, the syntax and the creation of dictionary, then built-in functions on dictionary, then comparison with other sequential data types. Okay, let's find what a dictionary is. So it's a built-in mutable data type in Python, or it is a mapping data type. Like I said before, Python dictionary is an unordered collection of data items which is mutable, that is editable, and it is a mapping to key and value pair. So in list and Python, each element is a unique one. Either it is a list or a tuple inside a list or tuple. Each item is unique. But here, each element is a collection of two. That means each item is a key and a value pair. Okay, then keys are unique and immutable. That means to be numbers, strings, or tuples, etc. Then even if the tuples content are mutable, then it is not allowed. Okay, so we can see some important features of dictionary are each key mapped to a value. Okay, each key mapped to a value. Okay, so this associated key and value are called a key value pair. Then each key is separated from value by a colon. Then the items are separated by commas. Okay, then the value of a dictionary can be of any type, but the key must be immutable data type. Okay, key cannot be changed, but it can be changed. Then dictionary is mutable itself. Then we can add new items or change the value of existing items. Values only can be changed, but cannot be changed. Okay, then main operation on dictionaries are storing a value with some keys and extracting value given the. Okay, so storing a value with respect to key and retrieving that value with respect to that particular key. So that is the specialty of, or that is the operation performed on a dictionary. So then we can moving to the creation of a dictionary. How a dictionary can be created in. Okay, a dictionary can be created by placing items or key and values pairs in curly braces. Okay, separated by commas. Okay, each key and value pairs have to be inside the curly braces, and each key value pair must be separated by a comma. Then only creating a dictionary with a name and a set of empty braces, a pair of braces only, it creates an empty dictionary. Later we can add elements into that dictionary. Syntax. Okay, here you can see dictionary name. I have given here dict or dict name equal to key, then value 1, key 2, then value 2, etc. up to key n, then value n. Each key and value pair are separated by this colon. Okay, then key 2 and value 2. Next key and value are pair. Okay, it is also separated by colon, and then each key and value pair is separated by commas. Okay, so that is the basic syntax of a dictionary. Okay, equal to 1 colon apple. Okay, so it's a first key and value pair. Here you can see key and value is the key, then apple, the word is the value. Okay, so the key value associated with the key 1. Okay, then second one 2, then orange. 2 is the key, then value is the orange. Similarly, in the next dictionary, then there is a key name which cannot be altered. Then the name value for that particular key is Ajit, then age is given there, then class is given there. Each key has an associated value is there. So these values can be changed, but the keys cannot be changed. Okay, so that is the specialty of dictionary. Let's move into another method of creating a dictionary. Okay, so the dict function, it's a function builds dictionaries directly from sequence of key and pairs. Okay, so the function dict is used to create a new dictionary with no items. This function is called a built-in function. Built-in function to create a dictionary. Then it can also be converted into, if elements are passed into that particular function, it creates a with the key and value pairs. If no arguments or no values passed into this dictionary function, an empty dictionary is created. If values are passed there, a dictionary without a dictionary with the key value pairs are created. Example. So here it is a function dict. The function dict is called there. Then inside that a list of tuples. Okay, so you can see the square with the square brackets. You can see it's a list, and then inside that key and value, those pairs are given as tuples. Key and value are given as tuples which cannot be changed. Okay, so here you can see that John 4139, it's a key and value pair. Here you can see John is the key, 4139 it is a value, then Anne 4127, Rose 4098, these are key and value pairs. Then print dict. Okay, then you can John, then dictionary is printed with the curly braces John 4139 and 4127 Rose 4098 as the key and value pairs. Using this dict function, you can create a dictionary from a sequence of values. Okay, or you can pass no value. If there is no values inside that dict function, then an empty dictionary is created. Okay, then we dictionary using square brackets to initialize a dictionary. Okay, first we have to create an empty dictionary using the braces only. Okay, curly braces only. We have to assign each value in one by one. Okay, so that is another method. With an example, so here I have created a D with no elements in there. So you can see the curly braces only there. So there is no elements there. Then we can create a key and a value pair using this sequence. Okay, so you may have familiar with the indexing in list and tuple. So for indexing we have used this square brackets. Okay, so D of 1, that means the first value, first key. Then what is the value associated with it? 1. Then D2, the second key, that 2 is the key, then verbal 2 is the value. Okay, then D3, again verbal 3 is the value, then D4, and 4 given as the D of 5, then 5, verbal 5 is given as the value there. Then if we print the D, we print the dictionary D, then we can see 1, then 1 is the value is given there, 2, then value verbal 2 is also there, up to 5 there key and value pair is there. Okay, these are the different methods to create a dictionary. Okay, we can create an empty dictionary using curly braces, or directly we can include the value pairs inside the curly braces. That is the first two methods. Okay, so you can type the key, then value separated by commas, and the pairs are separated by colons. So thereby you can create a dictionary. Then you can create an empty dictionary. Then you can use the dict method to create an empty dictionary, or a sequence of values can be turned into a dictionary. or converted into a dictionary. For that, dict method or dict function is then this method. Okay, first create an empty dictionary using curly braces, then each key and value pairs can be created like this. Okay, so your first key is equal to then value dictionary name in square brackets, first key value, then equal to the value associated with that particular you have to be given in this quotes. Okay, so these are the methods to create a dictionary. Okay, so for watching this section we have seen about creating a dictionary. We will see the next in the next class with another methods or operations on